Kelly, and I am back again with another part to my collection and declutter series. I started this in the last video you saw with my bronzers and contour, and now I want to jump into my blush drawer. Again, I have the LX9 drawer, and these containers fit side by side perfectly in that drawer. And these containers come from, yeah, I got them at Target. So they're really nice. They have that rubberized bottom in them, and it keeps everything from moving around a whole lot. My blush and my highlighter collection, that's actually my largest drawers, I think. I have a lot of lip products, but I think that I've spent the majority of my money on my blush and my highlighter, because those are just the things that I seem to love the most. And even though I don't necessarily use a whole lot of them, I tend to get stuck on one and then I don't leave it for a while. But I have a ton of them. I just haven't used them like I really should. So it's time to declutter. I have a lot in here that are old and that just need to go. Obviously, what I'm going to do is anything that needs to be chunked, I'm going to chunk, and then everything else will be donated. That is if family and friends, doesn't want it. So to keep these videos a little bit briefer, so that they're not terribly long, this particular section I'm going to do in two parts. I'm going to do one tray per part, and that way we're not here all night. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I guess we'll go ahead and we'll start with this one, because there's more to this one, and I just don't want to be here like for a really long time and you guys having to look, to get through like a 30-minute video when I can do 2 15 or 20-minute videos, something like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to start at the back like I did before. I have this Maybelline Master Glaze. I actually think that I might have, I know that this has never been used. It's still sealed. Yep, it's still sealed. It's brand new. It's a really pretty color. It's called Coral Sheen, but it seems like I might have decluttered this before I moved and then it found its way back in here. But regardless, yeah, this is a cream product. I have no idea if it's still any good or not. It is not cracked or anything, but I mean, like I mentioned before, guys, I'm not going to use any cream or liquid products most likely. So since this one, it seems to be in good shape, I'm going to go ahead and put it over here to the donate pile. All right, let's go in for this one. I used to be, especially when I worked full-time, guys, I was just obsessed with the L'Oreal Bare Naturals. I used the powder foundation, the powder blush. I mean, I used it all. I used the powder because I did not at that time have a good set of makeup brushes, and it was quick and easy. I got enough payoff with it that I felt like I looked put together, and I was a teacher, so it's not like I was working in an office or whatever. So this is left over from that time. So this is pretty old. I'm guessing it's Pinched Pink number 486. I am pretty sure that L'Oreal does still have this Bare Naturals line. It's just a blush mineral, but basically the whole idea behind it is you have this brush that is part of the top. You just dip it in here and you use it, and this one is still unopened. It's brand new. This stuff is not cheap. Yeah, but I'm not using it. I have makeup brushes now, and I don't use a loose powder like this anymore. So I've kind of grown beyond this, but I know that someone else could probably get a lot of really good use. So into the donate pile. All right, the next thing I think is another cream product. This is Beauty for Real, it says. So you have High Beam on this end and Coral Crush on the other. Interesting, because this is Coral Sheen. I was about to say, totally different brand, same name, but it's not. This is a cream product. You have the highlighter on one end that I have never touched, and then you have the blusher on this end, and it does look like I've maybe yeah, it looks like I've swatched this. I'm not sure, but you have the blush on that end. So it's a dual-ended cream product. Again, same deal as this before. I'm going to put it in the donate pile because I'm not going to deal with a cream product. And somebody may or may not want that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, from the back, I have some products from the Balm. So let's go ahead and pull these closer to the front. Have Frat Boy, Down Boy, and Cabana Boy. All of these are my Balm. Probably very little use, if any. I don't know if they've even been swatched. Okay, this has not even been swatched. It is a beautiful, it's in the color, that is the color Frat Boy. So yeah, I mean, I just love this vintage packaging. This color really speaks to me. I don't know why I've not used these. I guess they've just been, that's one of the reasons I'm decluttering, guys, is because I have a lot of products that I'm not using. And I hate to not use these things that I have spent money on. And, you know, let's look at this one, Cabana Boy. Okay, let's see what color that was. A pretty peachy pink. So this is, oh, this is a very good fall color. And it's got a sheen to it. So, yeah, that's really cool. Never touched. Okay, let's look at, see what Down Boy looks like. Okay, we've got, oh, now this one is just a really pure pink. I mean, it's just a really soft pink color. So I've got a peachy, a pink, and something that's darker for fall. So I basically could be using one of these per season, and I've not touched them. So let's put these in the keep pile. I'm going to rotate these into my capsule starting for fall and winter. Okay, the next thing that I have here is the Too Faced Peach. It's Papa Don't Peach. It is actually, the packaging is not as good as you would expect. It's kind of wobbly. I'm not sure why that's the case. I actually ended up buying this. I got suckered in, you know, the packaging and the peach smell, because this has never been touched. It is just a gorgeous shimmery blush topper. I am going to keep this. I just need to put it in and use it. It's really pretty. It's got a good little sheen to it right there. I just need to use it. And it does smell really good. Really great packaging. Keepsake worthy. I just wish that it wasn't so flimsy. That's the only thing. So, oh, let's put that on this side. Okay, next up we have, oh, I remember this. I never even opened it. It's brand new. I mean, guys, this is sad. I mean, I knew that I had a lot of blushes that I could declutter, but I didn't realize I had this many I never even opened. This one, I've seen a lot of people use this. This is in the color mauve. So basically it looks like the herringbone pattern or brick pattern. It depends on how you want to look at it. It's got some really dark colors, but then you have this highlight pattern inside of it. It says highlighting blush. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and donate this, especially since it's brand new. And it does have, I believe, it does have a brush in there with it. I'm not positive, but it kind of feels like it, and it wiggles like it does. But yeah, brand new, yet again. Let's go ahead and donate that. Okay, this one, oh, I remember this one. Do you guys remember these from Hard Candy? This is the ombre. It's unopened, guys. Totally unopened. I mean, so cute. Probably really pretty. It's a, it says glow all the way. This one is in the color Punch. It's really cute. I'm sure that it would be pretty if you're looking for a all-in-one highlighter blush, but I tend to prefer to use them separately and kind of place them where I want them to go. I don't want my highlighter in the same place that I put my blush. So yeah, yet another brand new product that's just sitting there not being used that's going to be donated. But I know that there's going to be some people that are really going to enjoy this. Okay, this one has been opened. I don't know that it's ever been used though. Let me see here. it's been swatched, and that's all. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush. It says Cool. It is in the color Baby Blossom. It's just a really soft peach. You can see the glow there. The light's catching it. It's a really pale peach color. It's only been swatched. I really hate that I have so much blush, so much wasted money. Guys, this is why you don't try to keep up with people and buy the next greatest thing. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the donate pile because I know I'm not going to use it. I hate that, but I mean, you know, guys, that's a lot of money, and I know someone else can use it instead of it just taking up space in my drawer. Okay, I can go ahead and tell you right now, this is my pink leopard. This is my pink leopard from Too Faced, and this is my second one. I actually had this before, used the crap out of it, and then it broke, and I replaced it, and I've not touched this one. This was my fave for a really long time. It is a beautiful blush, and when you have a tan, it's really, really pretty. Since I'm going to keep it, I'll go ahead and swatch it for you, kind of show you. I just kind of go around the center or whatever. It's really hard to see anything on my hand. Can you see the shimmer right there? This is just a beautiful, beautiful product. I love it. I've got to get this back into rotation. Yeah, it's lovely. And let me see. No, it does not have an odor. There's no fragrance. It just says blushing bronzer. So yeah, actually it could probably go in my bronzer drawer. It is more of a bronzer than it is anything else. So probably just need to relocate this and get some more use out of it. So I'm gonna put it over here and then relocate it. Next, oh, this is one of my Milani. It is unopened. I thought this was so pretty. It says illuminating face powder, ultra smooth highlighter, bronzer, and blush. So it's all three. It's in 03 Beauty's Touch, Beauty's Touch. You can see how pretty that is. I absolutely love these kinds of the Milani baked powders. I love the rose that I have in my circulation right now. I can't believe I never opened this. I want to get some use out of this, so I'm going to open this up and put it in rotation, especially come spring, because that's going to be a really pretty powder for spring. And yeah, so I'm going to keep that one. Okay, and this is my other rose. I have gotten some use out of this. This is Tea Rose. It is a prettier color than the some of the others that I've seen. The one that I have in my rotation right now is definitely a more fall color. This is a very spring color. So I love these. I don't know what happened. I had more than just two, so I don't know what happened to the others, but yeah, I'm not going to be purchasing anymore, but I'm definitely going to get some use out of these, so I'm going to keep that one. Now, let's look at this. This is a limited edition Christmas. It's called Sweet Vision Magic Dust Powder. This is from MAC. I loved this, but I don't know if it's hard to get it open when you've got long fingernails, guys. Okay, it's been swatched, but that's all. It's just a very shiny, luminous blush. It reminds me of Orgasm in that it has that sheen, that golden sheen. It's just got a little bit more gold in it than Orgasm does from NARS. But yeah, I'm keeping this. It's just, you know, I have a lot from this line a couple of years ago. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it to keep it. Okay, the next one, oh yeah, this is one of my Too Faced. I have a couple of these, and I have no idea where the other one is. I'm actually missing a bronzer from Too Faced. I have this Sweet Tea bronzer, and it's missing too. I have no idea. It wasn't in my bronze drawer when I did my last video. But anyway, I had two of these, And this is the one that's so cute. You've got the little bunnies or whatever. I don't know if you can see that, maybe. This one is in How Deep Is Your Love? I am going to be keeping this one. I have used it. It's just, it's been a while. And I didn't put very much use on it at all. So I'm going to keep this and maybe use it this winter because it's a little bit deeper. It's not a real pastel. So, 2 more things in this particular part of the drawer. So let's go with this NARS. This is a palette that I purchased. It says Blame It on NARS Cheek Palette. You have Satellite of Love and Casino. Then you have Daydream. Let's see. It says highlighting blushing powder, bronzing powder. Oh, okay. So you have a highlight, a bronzer, and then Daydream blush, New Attitude blush, and Ida Kabuki brush. Okay, I haven't even looked at this in so long that I had to remind myself what was in here. Oh, okay, I see. So this is an actual palette, and I probably just put it in here because I used the blushes more than I used anything else. So you do have the little brush here. You can see it's kind of dirty and grimy from using it here. I actually really do like the Ida brush. It was for the longest time, that's what everybody was using for their, their bronzer and contour. It works pretty good. I like the feeling of this packaging. I do love these colors. I just need to get some use out of it. It's just hard when you've got so many things in your drawer and you forget what's there. You forget what's there. Okay, and I know that I'm not going to get rid of this. This is my Tarte. This is a mineral Amazonian clay blush palette from a couple of years ago at Christmas time. For the longest time, I was hooked on this, and all I wanted to use was this. And I didn't ever use this one, which is in Beaming, because it has glitter in it, and I'm not really crazy about actual glitter. But I did use this one. Prim was one of my favorites, and Smashing. You can see that I've put a little bit of use into Dollface, but I haven't touched Fetching or Beaming. And yeah, I won't ever get rid of this. Their Amazonian clay blushes are absolutely fabulous, and the glitter of the package is coming off, but it's got a really good mirror in here. I just need to get it back out and get attached to it again. So for this round of blushes, what we're going to do is we're going to put these back in here. I'm going to put in I tell you what, let's put these towards the back. And bring these forward so that I will see them and use them. And then I can put these along the side and I can pull those in and rotate those. Yeah, guys, so that is going to clear up this drawer, and that means that I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brand new products that have never even been opened, and plus one that I only swatched. So those are going to be getting a new home, and I'm glad because they're brand new, and that's excellent. So yeah, so I'm going to stop here, and then I will come back for the other video later. I just don't want you guys to have to be around here, like terribly, terribly long. I'd rather watch short videos than really, really long videos. So yeah, we have decluttered and all pretty good, I think. Yeah, I keep some things, and there's no rhyme or reason to why I decide to keep some things and not others, but sometimes it's just a sentimental thing. But as long as I am clearing out some things that I know I'm not going to use for sure, I feel pretty good about it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it when you hit a like or you leave a comment. I love interacting with you guys, so please don't forget to do that. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe on your way out, because I'd love to have you be part of my YouTube family. So yeah, that's going to be it for part 1 of my blush declutter, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll talk to you later. Bye.